guys, it's my mixed berry mango smoothie. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Look at the color, it's so tasty. So good. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be making a mixed berry mango smoothie. So I have here some mixed berry that has some mango chunks. I will be using coconut water and a yogurt. So I'm going to add the fruits to the blender. They're all frozen. The yogurt, which is this one, and it's strawberry. So roughly 1 cup of coconut water. And there you have it, guys. All done. That's this. Taste it for you. So good, guys. The mango makes it tangy. So go ahead and try it. You will love it, okay? And it's a beautiful color. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.